Hi, everyone, and welcome back. If you love poetry, literature, and discovering the deeper meaning behind powerful words, you're in the right place. Today, we will be looking at Gabriel O'Carra's thought provoking poem, Once Upon a Time. I will explore the themes, literary devices, setting, and the overall meaning of this remarkable piece. Once Upon a Time is written as a dramatic monologue, a conversation between a father and his son. The speaker reflects on how people used to be genuine in the past, but now society has become cold, insincere, and full of pretenders. The speaker longs for the days when emotions were real and smiles were honest. He confesses to his child that he too has become part of this false world and now wishes to relearn how to be sincere just like a child. The poem is set in a modern, post colonial African society, specifically Nigeria, where Okara is from. This setting is important because it reflects a time when traditional African values were being replaced by Western ideals and behaviors. The poem suggests that with this cultural shift came a loss of authenticity in human interactions. Let's break down the major themes in this poem. The speaker mourns the loss of sincerity in human relationships and longs to return to a time when people were more emotionally honest. The poem criticizes how society teaches people to put on a face or a mask to survive in social situations. This creates fake relationships and emotional distance. Okara subtly criticizes how colonialism changed African culture, making people adopt Western ways that lack emotional depth or genuine warmth. Father-son relationship. The poem is also about intergenerational learning. The speaker looks to his son not to teach but to be taught. This reversal emphasizes the value of childlike honesty. Gabriel Okara uses several literary devices to convey his message. Metaphor. The most striking metaphor is that of wearing different faces. I have learned to wear many faces like dresses. This suggests people change their personalities depending on the situation, hiding their true selves. Diction. Words like smile with their hearts versus plastic smile highlight the contrast between genuineness and insincerity. Irony. The speaker is an adult asking a child to teach him something. Adults are supposed to know how to be real. Enjambment. Lines flow into each other, mimicking natural speech and thought. This helps the poem feel conversational and heartfelt. Tone. The tone shifts from nostalgic and regretful to hopeful by the end. The speaker believes change is still possible. At its core, Once Upon a Time is a powerful commentary on the loss of genuine human connection in the modern world. Gabriel Okara urges us to reflect on how society teaches us to be fake, to smile when we don't mean it, to speak politely without sincerity, and to forget the simple, honest emotions of childhood. The speaker's desire to relearn authenticity from his son suggests that hope still exists. We can unlearn the emotional masks and return to a more truthful way of living, but only if we're willing. So the next time you say hello or smile at someone, think about this poem. Are you being real or just playing a role? If you found this analysis helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more poetry breakdowns, literature lessons, and English tips. See you next time.